How to produce liquid silicone case. Plastic injection. Shaping by tooling. Check the thickness. Check the size. Check the toughness. It is very important to use the per-piece raw material to keep the toughness. Assemble the key press on the mold. Clean the machine. Assemble and fix the inner PC case. Put the key press on the tooling. Silicone plastic injection. Product finish and inspection. We have 4 automatic polishing machines. Automatic polishing procedure costs 35 seconds. Remove useless silicone part. Being polished by small tooling and sandpaper. Clear the case. Spread the glue on the case. Stick the real microfiber. Heat press by small tooling. Heat press by machine. %100% QC inspection. We have many models and a well-customized design.